Hello friends, it's Mother Eagle here, and I was reading, when the pressure is on, you will not ask for permission to create the change you desire. When the pressure is on, you won't ask for permission to create the change you desire. What's happening, at least in our surrounding, is many are waiting to be given permission. Go do this. Oh, you're great at that. Oh, you'll succeed in that. Let me tell you, when the pressure is on and your heart is pulling you to do something, permission is not necessary. You'll come back later after you've succeeded and ask for apologies. But for now, get your mind straight and start doing what you're supposed to do, what your heart is calling you to do. Yes, it may be foreign, it may be something you've never done before, clearly. It will be unknown. No one will go with you. Yes, most of these paths will walk alone. There is a part of your life's journey where it's only on you, just you. It won't be for long. Your soul family will find you, but there is a period of time. It can be considered consecration, set apart, pulled apart, isolation, whatever you call it, but it's a time where you have to sort yourself out as an individual. What do you want to do? Where are you going? What steps can you take to get there? And those beginning stages, you're on your own. You are on your own. Most people around you won't understand your vision. Maybe all the resources haven't yet come in. Maybe the whole big picture hasn't yet formulated well, but you have the first steps. Yes, keep moving. Permission is not necessary. Many people, things, and places you'll have to leave behind. As I already said, you can't fly with baggage. You have to empty the backpack in order to fly higher. You know, these are just concepts of life, of making life better, more enjoyable. You know, the way we studied and learned wasn't designed the way our soul wants to journey. The soul has its own blueprint and its own plan. Then we get born in an environment where they have their own agenda. So many of us have been trained to be workers. Many of us have been trained not to ask questions, not to ask why. And yet the soul demands that. You'll have to ask why, you'll have to ask why not. You'll have to undo the things you've learned so that you follow the soul-led, which is an inner knowing that this is the path I have to take and I'll follow it. And as you do that, things start to unfold, start to get easier and simpler, and you start to have that clear inner knowing of which direction to take. Even when it seems as though there are delays, don't be afraid of delays. Remember, there are rhythms to life. Not everything will just go up. No, you may go up, then go down, then circle around. Enjoy the ride. Go with the flow. Assume you're looking at a river. You know, it's going down its path. It meets a rock, maybe goes over it, maybe there's a wave, goes under it, meets a few branches. It's a path and a rhythm. You won't be left behind, and you cannot miss your blessing. Remember, the God particle is in you. You are the creator. You have all the moving parts you need Some you can't see now just because of where you are and where you're positioned. But you will see them when they are needed, when they are necessary, when time is right. You know, sometimes you may be looking at things so far off, like the big picture, and you miss the now moment. Yet the now moment is what you need just to get over the little hump. Then you can focus on the bigger picture. But the main point is, don't ask for permission to go forward. Just go. We shall meet you there. You know, as a mentor I used to like, Zig Ziglar, he would always say, meet you at the top. Actually, that's a book of his. You should read it. It's very good. We shall meet you at the top. Keep going. You know, when you get there, you'll come back and apologize to those you left. If they are still interested, they'll be busy clapping and cheering on you. But don't ask for permission. I guess today's video is for you to go, do what you're supposed to do, and we shall meet you at the top. As always, it's Mother Ego. I'll talk to you soon.